Here I have Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it. You can allow interruptions during Do Not Disturb. It could be calls and messages. It could be app notifications. It could be alarms and other sounds. You can also hide notifications, like you can hide all notifications, or you can hide special kind of notifications here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.